When I got the diagnosis for my own daughter, she's autistic, I realised between the PDA and all the other different struggles that she would have on a day-to-day, I wanted to be able to help her and others with what I could do to make life that little bit stress-free. I opened Daydreamers because I think that kids deserve a place where they feel relaxed and stress-free as much as possible into a sensory room. There's loads of different things that the kids can play with, and I'm mobile, so you don't have to be held or sit down in the chair or having to do what they have to do out in the barbershop or hairdressers. They can play, they can jump around, and I'll follow and get their haircut done to the best of my ability. I can't wait for them to see their faces. This was a dream to me about a year ago, and to see it actually set up and in real life, with knowing that I put everything I could into it, and with the help of everybody in this community, it was amazing, the support.